My eldest son Daniel is in charge of cooking dinner tonight. Hello everyone, I will be sharing how I teach my son how to make one of his most requested meal, fried rice. And I have my first aid kit ready.
Okay, let's go.
For the veggies, we use the following: you can use whatever vegetables you have available. In a large wok or pan over high heat, add oil. Once hot, fry the bacon, then the minced beef. Once nearly cooked, add 1 to 2 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon pepper. Stir continuously for 2 minutes to avoid burning. Walk around like a supervisor and continue checking. Add in the vegetables and stir fry for further 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. Stir and move the veggies and meat on one side. Throw in some eggs. I am lazy, so I didn't make omelette anymore. Stir continuously and add cooked rice and mix until all incorporated. Adjust salt to your liking. Like, follow, and share for more videos. Thank you for watching.